Yo, what's poppin', man? You already know what it is, man. It's your boy, Dwight Manuel. I hope you're doing well, and I hope you get more change than the wishing well, man. I want to say thank you for tapping in, man. Make sure y'all hit that like. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, and y'all gotta make sure y'all comment, man. You already know what it is, man. Kicks Corner Podcast. You already know what that is, man. But let's get straight to the point, man. I got a quick review on some OG Air Max. I got Duke in the building. What up, little buddy? He's such a little spoiled little buddy. But yo, let me see. I got the box right here. Come in an OG orange Nike box. You already know what that is. You know, these are the size 10. You already know what size I wear. The Nike Air Max 95 OG, the emerald color. You feel me? These was a classic, man. 96 was crazy. Even though these 95s, these came out in 96. You got the OG Air Max on the front. You got the all white and black on there. You got the emerald little swoosh Nike sign. These the big bubble too, so I think that's a nice upgrade to these, man. These are nice, man, for real. And you got the Air Max in the inside. You got the Nike Air on the bottom. You know, the Nike Air Max in the inside. You can see that. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. It's a simple shoe. I think these became famous when y'all make sure y'all fact check me too, man. So if I'm wrong, make sure y'all drop a comment below. Let me know what's popping with that. But I think these got famous when Tupac had them on in a picture back in the day. So yeah, man. Shouts out to dude, you know, becoming an icon, man, a legend, man. Name being still mentioned after all these years, man. You know, that's what's up. But yeah, these are the 95 Air Max, man. The OG Big Bubble, you know. Y'all make sure y'all tap in, man. And actually, what's crazy is these are going for under retail right now on StockX. So if y'all want to grab them, man, grab them. I think it's a nice shoe to tap into and have around, you know, for the spring, summer. It just snowed, so you know I won't be wearing these anytime soon. But yeah, tap in, man. It's your boy Dwight, man. You well? I hope you're doing well, and I hope you get more change than the wishing well. Peace.